Hey, just want to make a video on this 2018 Acadia. I couldn't get it to start after a hard rain. It's done that before about a year ago. Then I siliconed around the driver's side window because I thought that was the fix. But it looks like on the Acadia forum there's all kinds of other people saying they have roof racks and that the dealer said that was leaking. Well, mine doesn't even have a roof rack, so I did notice it looks like the computer, one of the PCMs is bolted to the side of the battery in the engine bay with all kinds of plugs and stuff there, and then there's another one kind of to the right above the wheel well, a big connector wiring harness. So there's all kinds of electrical under the hood. Makes me wonder if that's where the moisture is getting in when it rains real hard. But it doesn't do that in the snow or anything. But anyway, I tried and tried. This is the following day. I came back, I was able to get it started. So I was doing, I put the key in the outside door, the valet key, turned it a couple times. I didn't turn it the 10 times that you're supposed to turn it for a new key fob. I found a video on that. Anyway, put it in in the center console. There's a little tiny hole that it fits into in the back. That's like the transmitter pocket for if your battery dies, which is helpful. Your battery on your key fob. Anyway, it thought I was trying to program a new remote, and it was asking for remote 2. So this thing was just all sorts of messed up. I could get the doors to unlock finally with the key fob inside. I was able to do that last night, but still nothing. I couldn't start it. So anyway, I held down the start-stop button for 12 seconds. That's part of the programming, one of the programming steps for the new one, because I thought maybe, well, that's what it's looking for. So I went ahead and I even actually, then I unhooked the battery. Before I did that, I unhooked the battery, and then it was still asking for remote 2 to program. So anyway, then I held that down for 12 seconds, just trying to clear this programming mode for new key fobs. And then everything turned on and I was able to start it, but now it says Service Theft Deterrent System. But the car is running. Let's see, I'm able to put it in reverse. Works. So anyway, these things have issues. These Acadias. This is like the Gen 2, 2018, 2017. I think there's like maybe 3 or 4 years there. Maybe the 19. But anyway, if you have any comments on this, or if you figured out a fix that actually works, that's worked for more than a year or two, then leave a comment. But yeah, I guess I'm gonna do a little more investigating under the hood. I don't know what to do with that PCM under there. I mean, it could be a short anyway. There could be moisture getting in. I didn't see anything that was like obviously wet. It's only when it pours really hard. So I don't know, this is really not good. You need your car to start, so even in the rain. So I don't know, what could I do? Wrap plastic bags everywhere there's a connector? Tie a Ziploc bag around it or something? Maybe, I don't know. But as far as that PCM being under the hood, I don't know what that controls, if it's the main PCM. The dealer, I talked to him, he thought that the transmitter for the key fob's actually under the passenger side, is what he thought. But he also thought my battery was just corroded, which it wasn't. So yeah, I was thinking maybe it was on this driver's side. So maybe I'll silicone around. I don't know why siliconing around this window would do much, but I'll silicone that passenger side as well, because I've already done this side. I'll just do what I can, I guess. But now I've got this new issue. Maybe I don't know, I just want to drive it home and park it for now. But hopefully I can fix the issue, and I'll get back to you guys, and I'll leave a comment down below. So alright, leave a like so you can find this video later and other people can find it, so we can get some answers. Have a good day.